Pierre's patches are small but mighty. These clusters of lymphoid tissue in our intestines play a crucial role in our immune system, helping to protect us from pathogens and maintain gut health. So, let's talk about some amazing foods that can support these little warriors. First up, probiotic-rich foods. These are your gut's best friends. Think yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. These foods are packed with live bacteria that can enhance the balance of your gut microbiome. When you consume probiotics, you're not just feeding your gut, you're also helping to strengthen your Pierre's patches. A healthy gut flora can lead to better immune responses, which is exactly what we want. Next, let's dive into prebiotic-rich foods. Prebiotics are the fuel for those beneficial probiotics. Foods like garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, and bananas are fantastic sources. They contain fibers that our bodies can't digest, but our gut bacteria can. By consuming prebiotics, you're ensuring that your probiotics have the energy they need to thrive, which in turn supports your Pierre's patches. Now, let's not forget about fiber-rich foods. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system. Foods like whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables are all excellent sources. Fiber helps to keep things moving in your gut, preventing constipation and promoting a healthy environment for your Pierre's patches to function optimally. Plus, a high-fiber diet has been linked to a reduced risk of various diseases, including heart disease and diabetes. It's a win-win. Incorporating these foods into your diet can be simple and delicious. Start your day with a bowl of yogurt topped with bananas and a sprinkle of oats. For lunch, enjoy a hearty salad with plenty of leafy greens topped with garlic dressing. And for dinner, how about a stir-fry loaded with asparagus and served with a side of kimchi? The possibilities are endless. Remember, taking care of your Pierre's patches is a journey, not a destination. Small, consistent changes in your diet can lead to significant improvements in your gut health and overall well-being. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that a healthy gut can influence your mood and energy levels? So, by nurturing your Pierre's patches, you're not just supporting your immune system, you're also boosting your mental health. If you found this information helpful, like this video, subscribe for more health tips and share your favorite gut-friendly foods in the comments below. Your journey to better health starts now.